I'm super excited to share this recipe with you guys. This is my first time trying this recipe on my hair, and the result I got using this recipe on my hair is mind-blowing. To prepare this great recipe, the first thing is to be my jar. My first ingredient is lavender pulse. Guys, this is my first time trying this lavender pulse on my hair, and I've been missing a lot. I've hearing a lot about this lavender pulse, and I decided to give it a try. And also I did my research, and the result and their benefit is mind-blowing. Keep on watching, okay? I will take you step by step their benefits and many other things. And another thing again about this lavender pulse, the smell smells so heavily, smells so amazing. The smell of this lavender pulse is so sweet, honestly. So I just use 2 tablespoons of my lavender pulse. Next thing, I pour in my hot water. After pouring my hot water, I use my spoon to stir it around and cover it to infuse for 8 hours. I do not infuse it more than 8 hours because, like as I said, it's my first time trying it, okay? So maybe next time I will infuse it for 12 hours to see whether is it going to be the same result or not. So I'm going to cover it up and keep it in a cool dark place for that 8 hours to infuse. Guys, this is a game changer. I have been missing a lot, but I thank God that I finally give it a try. So after 8 hours, this is what I have so far. The water have gotten very dark, meaning that the lavender pulse have released in nutrients into the water. So I bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my tea spray. Guys, even as I open the container, the scent of this lavender is still scenting. For those that like scenting products, I think that you should go for lavender pulse, because lavender pulse will give you that good scent that you want, and also the same time also grow your hair. At the same time, you have a lot of benefits. It's not only scenting, it's also very beneficial, okay? So after transferring into my spray bottle, this is how it look like. This is how darker this look like after infusing it for 8 hours. I will try it to infuse it more longer period of time to see if the darkness will increase or not. So this is how my hair is looking like, okay? This is the stage of my hair. My hair is dry and thirsty. So I'll be using this lavender pulse now to hydrate my hair, okay? After hydrating my hair, like as a leave-in tea spray, I'm not raising it out, you know, normally. So I'm just trying to check the scent is not smell, because smell is something that smell bad. So scent is something that smell nice. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So I'm just testing the scent of this, okay? And the scent is so amazing, honestly. This scent so beautiful, guys. Honestly speaking, I really enjoy having this on my hair, and I really enjoy it, okay? So just go for it and you'll not regret it. And the good part of this is also very good in growing your hair. So let's talk about some benefits of this lavender pulse in our hair. Lavender stimulates hair growth, contains compound that improve blood circulation to the scalp, encourage faster hair growth. Wow. Its antioxidant property help strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage and hair loss. That is great news. Lavender has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that help reduce dandruff and dry scalp and also itching scalp. Lavender smooth effects help lower stress level, which is a major cause of hair shedding and thinning hair. So there's so many other benefits in using lavender. Lavender have many benefits. These are the few benefits I can able to mention. There's a lot of benefits in using lavender on your hair. I didn't even know that lavender have these great benefits in using it on our hair. All the same, finally I'm giving it a try. Please, if you have tried this on your hair before, please let me know your results, okay? Let me know how you feel, and also let me know how effective or how faster it grow your hair so far, or let me know how quick results you have on it, and also do you love it, do you like it? Okay, because for now I'll be incorporating lavender in my hair regimens. Guys, honestly, only the scent alone is heavily, honestly, couple the other good benefits is also having. So if you want me to go on challenge of using lavender on my hair for 7 days or 2 weeks challenge, also let me know in comment section below. Okay, do you want me to do challenge of applying lavender water on my hair for 7 days or 2 weeks? Any of them, just let me know in comment section below. Okay, so as usual, as I normally do, after applying it on my hair, I still give myself a gentle scalp massage. Okay, I did not follow up with a leave-in condition or whatsoever because my hair is already moisturized. Okay, for the previous moisturize I give my hair yesterday, so my hair is super moisturized. That's why I did not see me applying hair butter or hair this thing on my hair. But if your hair is not moisturized when you apply it, make sure you see in the moisture with your butter or oil and your leave-in condition. Okay, is very important. And also, normally I like giving myself a gentle scalp massage because scalp massage help a lot improving blood circulation, help a lot in promoting hair growth. So guys, this is all for today's video. I hope this video is very helpful. Like as I said before, if you have tried before, please, I want to know your feedback in comment section below. Okay, and if you have not tried, please go and buy lavender pulse, and believe me, you will love it. Honestly, you're going to love it. Okay, so guys, if you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. In this channel, I teach how to grow your hair without to breaking the bank, with the things in your kitchen, things you can easily find around you, and use them to grow that healthy hair you desire. Okay, and my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much for always come back to watch my video. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you for your support and for your caring. And at the same time, please, if you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. Okay, it really helped the growth of the channel. It helped the YouTube to push out this video to more audience. And lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there and be safe. Okay, bye. Mwah.